When you reach Transcorp, now you go to hover around here. That time, customer, now passenger will no problem with the enter. That time, you go explain to now. Ladies and gentlemen, Mona Noves. When we're trying to take off, they say my wife they here with another man and Mona just allow me catch her. If I catch her, I'll go come out.
The video you're about to watch is gonna blow your mind. Watch and enjoy.
Listen to your wife. And women, if you want your husband to be very cool, calm, calculative, and don't shout. No, they curse man. Man, no, they learn by curse. There are therapists we have mastered over the years to make a man very calm and collected. One of them is send your husband to buy condom every day. No use them, just they buy them. Now, statistics have shown over time that there is no man on earth that buys condom in a hurry. No man. Even a mad person. Once you reach pharmacy, there is this calmness. At that point, you take surveillance. No, you suddenly become so circumspective that not even a fly will enter that pharmacy without your notice. And that is the only time women they like queue, like they don't know what they are there for. And during that process, you have to be pressing your phone so that in case there are CCTVs, may your face not the you press phone. Forget if you have data or not. Press phone. Yes, please. And now when it gets to your turn, don't make it look like you are interested in what you came for. Be selfless in your approach. Allow people behind you to make it first for the first time in your life. When they say, hello, Oga, you please come. You say, no, I'm not in a hurry, please. Hello, madam. Can you go? Who is there, please? Can you come and go? Now, when you buy condom, thank you. This condom thing will help us today. So okay, men say they don't like the way they expose this condom thing. Yes, but please let me finish it. When you buy condom in the supermarket, please don't buy it alone. It makes you look irresponsible because what you're buying is too minute for you to drive for a 630 to come and buy it. So to make it look like you have other aims and objectives, while coming, there are things that are usually surrounded with condom. One of them is Duracell battery. There's this thing called Orbit chewing gum. There's Oral-B toothbrush. They are always around condom. Now start picking them two like you want to use them. Hello, can you put 2 batteries, please? 2 batteries, yes, please. Brush, the one they use for teeth, can you put it? What did they use brush for before? Even though we say you just want to see pharmacist. Don't buy it alone. And please, there is this thing where they happen for Nigeria airport where they vest me. I don't know how many of you don't sit down before. Strap like you want to travel. And you see these girls where we are Jesse. Say there be air hostess. Come. Hello. Good evening. Are you aware you're suddenly in the emergency exit just in case there is fire? Can you be able to open door and jump down? Come on, you there, Chris. Which kind of announcement be that? How can you just meet a random person, tell and make you open emergency exit main jump? First things first, by my own understanding, emergency seat should be allotted to members and staff of the airline, dressed in mufti. These guys, we already have a knowledge of what that door can do when the need arises. You don't sell it to customers and tell the customers if the need arises. I don't know if you saw a video where a guy open plane, we don't day up. You see the breeze where enter the plane, the gas land immediately. It can happen. This is Nigeria where depression became motivational speaker. Just imagine all these people who put their money for article now sit down for that kind of place. Hello, good afternoon. Just in case of anything, they go open and they'll say, okay, no, well, I'm going to take off first. You don't know, say, Supreme Court don't run the street. Say, more, you have to take off first. So I feel it's wrong. Then another thing, pilot, may they need to marry. Yes, may pilots talk to the marry. They should be like Reverend Fathers. Because the sensitivity of the job of a pilot is too bad for what a bad relationship can do. Just imagine, as a man, normal man, we don't marry you. Do you know, say, if your wife make you vex? it doesn't matter the car where you drive. Forget all this one where they buy G-Wagon, they buy 2022 Range Rover. Do you know that you can dey inside that car with AC heat go dey worry you? Because of course wey dey cost you for house. Women cause dey pay no. Only you go just hold steering for express dey shout. No, wetin I do my wife? Wetin I do her wey go cost me like that? Only you. And you no know say as you dey shout, you dey match shuttle. All these accidents wey una no dey fit explain for road na cause o. Cause. Now imagine that kind of man. Na him be una pilot. Him wife don curse am. The man don enter cockpit. I know say man wey dey vex dey always shake leg. All these pilots wey una no dey hear wetin dem dey talk. No be say dem plan am, una anger. As the guy just wan take off, they go come send am picture of him wife with another man dey flirt. The first time we hear pilot wey dey speak pidgin. Hey hostess, mo na log this plane mo comot. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome on board. All this Boeing 327 taking us to where I don't really know, and on board with us this afternoon we have Chioma, Isaac, two other guys. I don't even know who employed them for this plane. No. Are you aware with such frustration the pilot can take off and go to the hotel where they say wife dey? Oh guys, now you go gree go where you go. They say they won't go knock your wife, you won't fly. The man fit your take off. You for this our airport Abuja here. When you reach Transcorp, now you go dey hover around here. That time, now customer, now passenger will no problem with the enter. That time, now you go explain to now. Ladies and gentlemen, Mona Noves. When we're trying to take off, they say my wife dey here with another man, and Mona just allow me catch her. If I catch her, I'll go come out. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much and good night. Thank you so much, Koboko.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.